Fluency today, you need to select 2, all right? 2, meaning that you are going to be picking 2 of these answers. So we have to solve to figure out which ones are true. So we have 905. So I'm going to start off by doing 905.21 minus, so I put my minus. Remember, when we subtract, we have to make sure we line up the digits and the decimal points. So we have 96.21. And then draw our line. So we're going to begin subtracting. So I put our decimal point down. And we have 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 minus 6 we can't do, so we go to the 0. Well, I can't take from 0, so I got to take from the 9. The 9 becomes an 8. This 0 would be a 10, but then I got to take from the 10 and make it a 9. And then the 5 becomes a 15. So now I do 15 minus 6, which is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. And then I bring down the 8, because 8 minus 0 is 8. So I type my answer in, 809. I can also put 0.00, but 809 is the same thing. So I got to see what 7,281 divided by 9 is. So draw my division. 7,281 is my dividend, so that goes on the inside. 7, 2, 8, and then a 1 on the inside. And then I put the 9 as my divisor on the outside. I put my multiplication sign. And then I ask myself, how many times can 9 go into 7? Well, that's 0. How many times can 9 go into 72? Well, I know that 9 times 8 gives me 72. So I put my 8 above. So 8 times 9, 7, 2. And then I subtract 72 minus 72. 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. So I get 0. I have to bring down my 8. And ask myself, how many times can 9 go into 8? Well, 9 times 1 is 9. That's too big. So I have to use 0. So I put a 0 up. And then I had to place a 0 below because 0 times 9 is 0. So I put that below. And then I subtract 8 minus 0 is 8. I bring down the 1. Bring down the 1. And then I ask myself, how many times can 9 go into 81? Well, 9 times 9. 9 times 9 gives me 81. So I put my 8. Again, you guys will have enough digits. 1. 81 minus 81. 81 minus 81 is 0. So my answer is 809. So let's look at this problem. We have 809, 809. Well, that's correct. So that one's correct. All right, and then I will have the next 2 questions on your next slide on the video on this slide, okay? So you can use that as a helpful to complete the rest of this problem.